Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing accessories and noting cable lengths so you don't lose routing reference. First, take off lights, computer, and any fenders. Then loosen the stem bolts and back off the top cap a few turns. Don't fully remove bolts yet. Support the front wheel to keep the bike stable while you work. Once done, gently slide the stem forward to free the integrated handlebar. Keep track of spacers and measure clamp positions so reassembly matches original geometry. Now you'll detach controls and extract the bar while protecting cables. Unwrap the bar tape and undo brake and shifter clamps. Save small parts in a tray. If cables enter the bar, disconnect or fish them out and tape exposed ends to prevent fraying. Loosen any integrated clamp hardware fully, then slide the handlebar out of the steer tube with a steady pull. Inspect the steer tube and headset bearings for wear or corrosion before installing the new integrated bar to ensure smooth steering. To install, align the new integrated bar to the measured position and slide it into the steer tube, making sure cables route cleanly. Tighten hardware incrementally to the manufacturer's torque spec so the clamp seats evenly. Uneven torque risks damage. Reconnect and adjust cables, trim housing to the length you noted, and wrap bar tape. Finally, test brakes and shifting while the bike is stationary, then take a short, controlled ride to confirm alignment and secure fit. If you hear creaks or C-play, recheck torque.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.